Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So again, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So far our weekly analysis signals haven't been triggered yet. I think USDCHF is almost going to be triggered very soon. The market is just like 11 pips far away from the entry. Gold also is going to be triggered very soon. However, what we can do next also with the market, let's now discuss the pound NZD, which is going to be our next deal of the day. So first of all, if we look right here at the daily chart, my friends, is actually showing a strong bullish momentum. And actually, if we look carefully, this right here is the real level of a support. Meanwhile, in the middle, we have here 1 and 2, 3 actually fake breakouts from that level. And the pound NZD has indeed respected that level of a real support and reversed right on it. Now, it means that most likely right now, the pound NZD will continue the rise till it reaches the highest level of a nearest resistance right there at 2.066, and most likely it will continue rising to another 133 pips more to go. Also, if we look carefully and if we squeeze that chart like that, just like that, now we can see clearly right here a broken level of a support trend line. So that means this is of course the broken support trend line, and there is exactly the bearish breakout from it right now. The pound NZD is actually rising to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, and also it will create here a second attempt of the resistance trend line, and also it's going to be the first attempt of the resistance trend line. That is one, by the way. Now, however, that confirms that the pound NZD is going to rise. Now the question is where exactly we can start buying it. In my opinion, one of the good options is to buy it exactly right there at this level of a support at 2.049. However, I would recommend to wait for the market to fall again to retest the broken level of a resistance right here exactly at 2.048. For one single reason, this was of course the nearest level of a resistance to that bullish breakout candle, and I personally prefer always to enter exactly for a new support, to enter exactly at the highest level of a nearest resistance to the bullish breakout candle. Another reason to believe that this is going to be a good entry is applying here of course the support, the magic of course of the support trend lines. So as you can see, exactly just like that. Check this out. So right there we had of course a real level of a resistance, a support trend line, which also faced of course a fake breakout and has indeed been respected repeatedly 2 times here. Then it became a resistance trend line, and now if the pound NZD will continue the fall, I'm expecting from this market to respect actually the previous support trend line, plus of course retesting the broken level of a resistance. Now final confirmation of course will be using the Fibonacci retracement, and as we can see, this was exactly 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So for that reason, I would highly recommend to wait for the pound NZD to fall to another 44 pips, and then we can start buying it. However, take profit level will be placed just right there at the nearest level of a resistance to our entry at 2.061, expecting approximately 134 pips of profit. Now, since we are actually mainly relying on that level of a support trend line, let me just make here a zone so we can decide our stop loss. Exactly. So right now we do have of course a support trend line zone area. Now that means that there is a chance for the market to be ranging inside of this zone before exiting. If it does, that means that this setup is no longer valid. So therefore, our stop loss can be placed just right here at the bottom of the support at 2.04, and that means that our stop loss will be actually about 80 pips, which is actually a big number. And for that reason, maybe you can increase actually our take profit level. Just let me be sure. Okay, we can make our take profit level to be at Fibonacci 50, aiming approximately 172 pips. However, of course, I will update you guys about this signal. We might actually close it in profit sooner than that. Let me just first of all write the signal for you. And here is your signal. And again, guys, I might recommend you to close it in a profit sooner than the take profit level if I notice any price action that might actually change the direction of this signal. Of course, that will be done through our Telegram channel. You can just join this channel for free. You can find the link in the description below of this video. Just simply click the link and you will join this Telegram channel instantly. It's free of any charges. you will receive one free signal every day from Xtreme Trader, and also you will receive updates and notifications about any deal of the days that I'm sending here on YouTube. So make sure to join the group to not trade alone, and make sure that you are trading always with the Xtreme Trader team. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.